Lee, thank you for sitting down with me today. I know that fleet management is an evolving subject, and there's quite a buzz around Digit FMS and what they're doing. Tell me a little bit more about your solution.
Great question, Kobus. At Digit FMS, we give fleet owners complete control, visibility, and efficiency with real-time tracking and smart data tools. Whether you're running a dozen vehicles or a few hundred, our system keeps your operations smooth and secure.
Let's start with the basics. How does live tracking actually work?
Well, Kobus, another great question. At Digit FMS, all our vehicle tracking and fleet management solutions typically update every 4 to 22 seconds, offering detail of exactly where your vehicles are at any point. This also includes a complete electronic logbook that will offer you tracking data in a daily, weekly, and monthly format, knowing exactly where your vehicles have been and how your fleet has been performing.
Awesome. So no more calling drivers to check where they are.
Indeed, that's right, Kobus. With Digit FMS, it is faster to track your vehicle than what it is to make a phone call.
What a type saver.
Indeed.
Now, I've heard of something called the Digit PS. What is that about?
The Digit PS is currently our flagship device. PS stands for Problem Solver. We've identified various challenges in the vehicle tracking and fleet management industry that result in vehicles not being recovered. The PS has been specifically designed to help curb this and reduce the risk. The Digit PS unit is currently the world's first AI-driven vehicle tracking and fleet management device that can initiate immobilization of a vehicle in the event of hijacking or theft without any human intervention.
That's next level security. So that's specifically for your high-risk vehicles like the Toyota Hilux and the VW Polo.
Exactly right. So the Digit PS is specifically designed where it's got a built-in immobilizer, it's got a built-in panic button, built-in please call me button, wireless driver identification, also offering you full fleet and fuel management functionalities, designed for both the high-risk vehicles in South Africa, including heavy commercial trucks that may be carrying valuable loads.
Interesting. So Digit FMS actually have a solid solution in place for vehicle risk mitigation. But tell me more about fuel cost and the efficiency of it.
Kobus, we've got fantastic tools with regards to being able to mitigate your risk, as we've already mentioned, but ultimately concentrate on their day-to-day risks, where vehicles deviate off routes and cost you unnecessary fuel and wasted mileage. With our route optimization tools and route management solutions, you're able to ensure that your fleet stays on track all day long. This will also flag risky driving behavior that costs you in additional maintenance or unnecessary insurance claims. Think of it as forensic level insight into how your fleet performs.
It sounds like you're enabling your fleet managers not to just be firefighters, but to move from being reactive into a proactive situation.
Exactly right. With Digit FMS, we empower you to act rather than react.
That's very interesting, but it sounds very complex. Is it actually user-friendly?
Absolutely, Kobus. We thrive at Digit FMS to design our systems in such a way that it's really user-friendly, making it easy to onboard new customers or potentially new staff that you are employing into your company. With Digit FMS, literally, if you can read, you can succeed. From our mobile app that gives you the facility to live track your fleet from any point from your mobile app, tablet, or PC. Being able to see basic trip reports, including requesting or booking a new installation or direct control room connectivity to highlight any risk that might be taking place in your fleet or to request an immediate vehicle recovery. With Digit Web, our user interface is going to offer fantastic reports, from your daily trip reports to service reports and trip and fleet summary reports, and so much more, enabling you to have all the tools to make the necessary decisions in your business as fast as what you need to make them. For bigger operations, our enterprise software and API integrations work seamlessly with your existing business software.
So the flexibility is actually a game changer. So that would put me in a position where I could be on the road or at my head office or wherever, and I'm still knowing what's going on.
Exactly right. We enable you to have the tools to be able to make the decisions in your business, whether you're in the office, on holiday, or working remotely.
Lee, I've worked with many other systems before, but what can I expect when getting onboarded now with the Digit FMS fleet management solutions?
Well, Chris, I think once again, that's an excellent question. Bear in mind that all Digit branches are independently owned. So we are involved on a personal level, holding your hand through the process from registration, installation, including onboarding your customers onto the full solution.